Ah, ya. Hai semuanya. Wow, sudah jam 12 siang waktu Indonesia bagian Barat nih. Selamat siang, warga Twitch dan YouTube. Ya, semisal Anda menonton lewat video di YouTube channel. Di sini bersama PNG Tuber separuh pisang Nana Barishana. Dan dalam setengah jam ke depan, aku akan menjalankan tantangan 30 menit menggambar cepat sambil ngobrol-ngobrol sama kalian. Ya, by the way, thank you for the follow. Tidak bukan, welcome. Enjoy your stay. Halo Mbak Nana. Ole halo. Iya. Good morning, good evening, selamat siang. Mhm. Hi everyone. It's 12 p.m. GMT plus 7. Good afternoon for Indonesian friends and good night in case you are from the other side of the world. For you Twitch people and YouTube in case you are watching from YouTube video. Mhm. Oh, hi, thank you Minu for the follow. Minu Karot, welcome. Mm-mm. Ah, so half banana PNG tuber Nana Barishana here, and on 30 minutes forward, I will undergo a 30-minute speed paint challenge while talking casually with you guys. Hi, I am looking for new wife. Get some help. If but get some help is from Kaila's words. Uh, in Indonesia we say semoga lekas sembuh. Get well soon. Hai, hello Imun Plus, welcome, good evening, selamat siang. Hello Cat, hello. Hello Banana, hello Valdios, selamat siang. Get some help. Iya, wah, oke. Jadi semoga nggak bosan ya, tapi ku jelaskan dulu ya, kenapa kok tiap hari di jam yang sama isinya menggambar terus streamnya ya. Seri stream ini adalah dalam rangka perjalanan streaming menuju hari debut Nana ya pada tanggal 4 November mendatang. So I hope you don't get bored by this. In case you've been following from the day before, but for a context, I will explain why are we having a 30-minute speed paint every day at the same time. So it is because this series of streams are a road to Nana debut stream that is upcoming on 4th November. Ya, jadi begitu. So it's like that. Lalu mengenai tantangan harian yang makin hari semakin menumpuk ya. Tadi awalnya cuma 30 menit menggambar cepat ya tantangannya. Lalu sama pisangfikasi. Apa itu pisangfikasi? Pisangfikasi itu dimana Nana menggabungkan seekor hewan dengan pisang begitu. Lalu beberapa hari kemudian kita tambah challenge lagi ya, jadi ada tantangan warna terbatas ya. Ini biar seru ya, soalnya kadang aku merasa kalau tantangannya itu agak-agak terlalu mudah gitu di beberapa hari gitu ya. Oke, what is that? Debut jadi banana sungguhan ya, enggak sih. Gabungin saya sama pisang tuh. Yeah, new custom brush. Yeah, about that I will talk about it after this. So about the daily challenge that keeps stacking up each day and week. Actually, at first it was only 30 minutes speed paint challenge and the bananification challenge. What is bananification challenge? That is when we combine an animal and a banana. Yeah, so it's like a half banana mutant, something like that. And then at some point we add another challenge into a limited color palette challenge. Yeah, so why I am sounds like I'm making myself suffer with this challenge. It is because it's just fun. Yeah, it is fun because I feel sometimes that the challenges are too easy, yeah, when you are getting used to it. Ya, jadi soal custom brush itu kepikiran untuk nambah tantangan lagi tadi semalam ya, nge-tweet custom brush. But after I woke up, setelah tadi pagi bangun itu rasanya setelah dipikir-pikir mungkin disimpan buat lain kali aja ya custom brushnya. So last night I tweet about the custom brush challenge for an addition for another challenge into these streams. But after I woke up, I rethink about that decision, and I think we will add that at later times, because for now we are uh kinda hard. The challenge is kinda hard after I think about it again. Yeah, okay. Jadi challenge custom brushnya disimpan nanti dulu ya. Dan tapi hari ini kan biasanya kita pakai brush yang ini ya. Ini brush yang teksturnya seperti ini. Bentar, I will analyze it. So usually we use this brush with this texture to make our speed paints, right? Untuk tantangan menggambar cepat biasanya kita pakai brush yang ini ya. I decide, what if we use another brush for today? Jadi hari ini aku mikir ya, gimana kalau misalnya kita pakai brush yang lain. Brushnya nggak biasa sih, bukan brush default sih ya. We will not using the default brush. Halo Ajita, selamat datang, selamat siang, good evening, and welcome to the stream. Okay, so I think how about we try to use this. Let's see. Oh, so there is this or this. Oh, so this brush are kind of unique, and oh, no. Let's see. I rarely use this brush because they kinda slow down the PC that I use ya. Agak jarang pakai brush. Nah ini aja ya, kita pakai ini hari ini ya. Ini aku jarang pakai brush ini karena kalau pakai brush ini jadi semakin lambat ya aku gambarnya. Jadi ini kayak ya bisa dibilang challenge sih. So if I use this brush, I kinda get slower, not because of what, but because it's just my CSP is lagging with this brush, like ya. Jadi nge-lag gitu ya. Tapi nggak apa-apa lah ya, biar seru, agak nge-lag. Jadi tambah sulit gambar. So this is an additional difficulty I guess for today. Yeah. So this brush is called HTT brush. I forgot who is the creator of this brush. Let me look at it for quick. HTT brush CSP. Let's see. Robo something. Okay, wait. Let me look at it quick. Wait. Oh, RoboGuard. Yes, it was from RoboGuard. Guard. Yes, this one. So the creator of this brush is RoboGuard, and you can get this brush for $6 at itch.io. Jadi si RoboGuard ini ada site itch.io ya, dia jualan brush, dan ini salah satu yang dia jual sih gitu di itch.io dia gitu. Harganya $6, ya lumayan sih. Tapi ya emang brushnya bagus sih. Nah, menarik kan. If anything, it's just because my PC cannot handle such amazing brush. Kalaupun ada sesuatu yang agak mengganjal ya mungkin karena laptopku ya yang gak kuat sama brush yang terlalu powerful ini. Okay. Now yes, RoboGuard Party Paper. Oh no. This brush is called HTT Skim Milk. Yes, HTT Skim Milk, susu skim nama brushnya ya. Dia $6 itu jualnya per pack, jadi $6 nanti dapat beberapa brush gitu dan isinya menarik like that. Ini nggak disponsor sama dia ya, ini cuma karena aku seneng aja sama brushnya. So this is not sponsored by the creator of the brush. It is that just I like the brush, so I decide to why not giving a shout out to them like that. It takes super gamer PC with many LEDs for CSP. Wow indeed. Oh, no, the first one. Oh, you mean let me look at it. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh yeah, this one called Party Paper. Yes, true. You are right, Cat. Cat is also the user of HTT brush. I see. Oke, kayaknya. Jadi gini. So here is the thing. To speed up my speed painting process, I usually set up a shortcut onto my brushes. Jadi biasanya supaya lebih cepat gitu ya. Biasanya aku ada set shortcut dulu gitu ke brushnya biar cepat gambarnya. Itu salah satu rahasia speed paint sih. So one of the not really a secret but just a way to cut up the painting processing time. Jadi untuk mempercepat waktu proses gambarnya itu biasanya kita harus banyak-banyak ini ya, familiarisasi dengan shortcut ya, shortcut gitu. Kalau misalnya nggak ada shortcut gitu, kita mesti pasang sendiri. Nah di CSP ini kita bisa pasang shortcut gitu per buttonnya, per toolsnya gitu. Enaknya CSP tuh gitu ya, sama kayak Photoshop juga. So like Photoshop, CSP, this program that I use, Clip Studio Paint, is also enable us to assign shortcuts for certain tools or even brush like that. Jadi sekarang ini karena kita pakai skim milk ya, ini kita coba pasang shortcut dulu begitu. Oke, kita masuk ke file, lalu masuk shortcut settings. Oke, masuk brush di mana ya itu, di subtool, pasangnya di subtool pen. Oke. Dan put skim milk on this. I will put this B. Lalu B ini tadinya brush ya, ini aku hapus dulu brushnya. Let's see. Oh, bentar, belum benar settingannya, sebentar ya. Let's see, where are you? Oke. Hapus dulu yang konflik sama settingnya. Mana ini ya? Oh, masuk airbrush. Ini kalian sedikit bersih-bersih ya. Soalnya jarang pakai airbrush ini. Subtool airbrush. Oh, ya, kita delete shortcut. Oke. Alright. Is Illustrator or CSP better? So, Illustrator there is this thing called raster versus vector. Jadi ada namanya raster, ada namanya vector. Adobe Illustrator, we use Adobe Illustrator when we work with vector. Adobe Illustrator, biasanya Adobe Illustrator itu ini ya singkatannya. So this is the short of Adobe Illustrator. So jadi biasanya kalau mau kerja pakai vektor itu pakainya Adobe Illustrator gitu. Kalau kita kerja pakai raster itu kita pakai Photoshop atau pakai CSP atau mungkin Fire Alpaca atau mungkin Krita, banyak banget ya. Jadi kalau misalnya kayak gambar-gambar seperti ini, something that when we work with pixels, it is raster. Raster itu kalau kita kerja sama pixel ya, tapi bukan pixel art ya. Kalau pixel art beda lagi sih. Cuma memang kalau raster ini seakan-akan kita mengerjakan pixel art tapi dalam lebih luas gitu kanvasnya. Kalau pixel art kan cuma berapa kali berapa gitu, dan grain dot-dotnya pixelnya lebih kelihatan. Kalau raster ini ya sama pixel tapi jangkauan kanvasnya lebih luas, lebih besar, dan kalian nggak akan kelihatan kalau itu pixel kecuali kalian zoom kayak gini loh. If we zoom this out, then we get to see that this is actually pixel art, but just in a larger scale, like that. Yes, yes. Mhm. And then if vector, vector is that one time when you wait. I don't know if Clip Studio Paint has. Let me look at it. So Clip Studio Paint has vector layer, but I doubt it can work just like Adobe Illustrator. Jadi kalau vektor itu biasanya ini ya, lebih mulus gitu. Dan kalau di zoom, cuma ini kan kita kan lagi kerja di Clip Studio Paint yang memang bukan untuk vektor. Harusnya kalau di Adobe Illustrator kalau di zoom nggak akan keluar kotak-kotak kayak gini gitu. And if we are working on vector on Adobe Illustrator, when we zoom it out, there will be no pixels like this. It will just smooth like butter. Smooth like butter. That sounds like that BTS songs. Okay, kalau di zoom, when we are zoom this thing, it won't get pixelated like this. It will stay smooth. That's the thing when we work on vector like that. Jadi begitu. Nana is so smart, am I? Well, if you say so. Gitu ya, kalau memang sih ini mungkin pengetahuan yang sedikit umum. Maybe this is a little bit common. Maybe if you are closely work with printings, or maybe if you are taking study on, I don't know, design and printing, maybe you will know something about that. Ya mungkin kalau misalnya kerjanya di bagian percetakan, atau mungkin sekolahnya di bagian desain seperti itu, atau mungkin suka ikutin berita-berita tentang seputar dunia percetakan mungkin, atau desain grafis ya, mungkin akan tahu begitu. I learned about raster and vector in maps. Wow. Oh, there are vector and raster in maps. Interesting. Oh, is it something to do with the pixelated maps or what? Ini sih bukan ini kerja katanya dia tahu soal raster dan vektor ini dari peta ya. Apakah itu di peta, apakah berhubungan dengan ini ya, apa namanya, pixel pecah gitu kah? Interesting, very interesting. Okay, so it's already 12:20. Yeah, let's just start with the challenge. Firstly, we will decide on what time we will start and at what time we will end the challenge. Jadi kita pertama menentukan ini challenge-nya, tantangannya kita mulai dari jam berapa dan selesainya di jam berapa. Karena ini sekarang sudah 12:21 ya, bagaimana kalau kita mulai di 12:23, karena kita belum dapat warna terbatasnya itu ya, palet warna terbatasnya. We haven't get the limited color palette yet, and because we start on 12:23, we will end on 5:53, right? 30 minutes, right? Okay. Let's see, we add some border onto it to make it distinguishable with the art that we will make. Ya, kita kasih border putih biar nanti bisa kelihatan bedanya ya, nggak terlalu gabung sama art yang mau kita bikin gitu. Okay, and then we look up for the color generator. We are using colors.co for it. Oh, this one an interesting one. Ini warnanya warna pantai banget. Okay, at this warna pantai. So this is a kind of this remind me of beach kind of color. Beach, yes. Nice summer beach. The sea, the sand, and the sun. Wah, ini refreshing sekali ya. Ini kayak macam warna-warna pantai. Ada warna laut, ada warna pasir, ada warna matahari gitu. Okay. Okay, we got the thing. Alright, now we decide on what animal we will draw for today. Hari ini gambar animal apa ya? Hewan apa yang kita gambar hari ini? Do you guys have any request on what to draw today? Okay, While waiting, because the time is already 12:23, let's make a border first. Please let me know if you guys have an idea, or maybe you want to see me draw something that will be combined with banana. Ya, coba kasih tahu ya, Nek. Kalau misalnya ingin lihat ada hewan yang mau digabungkan sama pisang gitu. Okay. Let's think fast. Okay, I will use animal generator, maybe animal generator. Oh, also hello Dokuma Starlight. Hello, welcome. Sorry, I just saw your chat by now. Aku baru lihat chatnya. Sorry. Ngeng indeed. A banana with sharp teeth at eating chicken wings. That is wow. And banana shark. Okay, so actually, okay, I will take the banana shark because you guys both wanting a banana with sharp teeth like that. Ya kita pakai ini aja ya, ikan hiu, pisang ikan hiu ya. Soalnya ini dua orang ini sih tidak bukan sama Ketornek sama-sama minta ini ya. Wow, so heavy. Wow. Did you guys see the delays when I stroke the brush? It is that good. The brush is this good that it kinda slowing down. Oh man, hardware issues. Yeah, banana shark. Yeah. Jadi actually we are planning for another challenge as well on next month, and I think next month we can do the thing that you are the challenge that you give to me. Tidak, bukan like that. Jadi bulan depan itu baru ada challenge baru ya, dimana kita menggabungkan dua hewan gitu. Jadi dua hewan dalam satu pisang ya. Rasanya kayak gitu ya seingatku ya. So we are going to combine two animals and one bananas on next month stream. Yes. Too powerful, change brush if too much trouble. Nah, this won't be a trouble much. Don't worry about it. Maybe I just need to save often to make sure that this piece of art won't gone when it crashed. Jadi mungkin cuma mesti lebih hati-hati aja kalau takutnya nge-crash ya. Jadi aku harus sering banyak-banyak save aja gitu. Harus sering-sering nge-save karena ya itu, walaupun biasanya ada auto save ya, sometimes we can just rely on the auto save. Biasanya kita nggak bisa terlalu bergantung sama auto save ya, karena kadang-kadang kita sudah berpikir oh ya nggak apa-apa lah, santai aja auto save, terus tiba-tiba mati lampu, lalu tiba-tiba filenya hilang, corrupt. Kalaupun auto save corrupt gitu, wadidaw. So the thing is, sometimes we are thinking like it's always good, don't worry about it because we have auto save on, then suddenly bam, lights off, power outage, and when we try to recover the file that we use, suddenly it is inaccessible because corrupt file or something went wrong. Yeah, we don't want that gitu. So all is good. Okay, I will save first. Okay, we saved the art for day. Wah, I really like this brush. Wow, lebih artistic ya. This brush is wow. This brush is much more artistic than yesterday. I mean, yes, yesterday's brush is also good, but maybe because I use this brush rarely, and when I use this, I feel in awe. Feel so wow. Yes. Gimana ya? Mungkin karena jarang pakai brush ini ya. Sekali pakai langsung wow gitu. Kalau bahasa lokal rada katrok ya hari ini. Soalnya jarang pakai brushnya, jadi kelihatan gitu. Alright, and then I'm thinking of what if. Oh, I will make new layer and draw the shark on the new layer. We start with silhouette because I'm quite confident with how shark looks like. Jadi Nana cukup inget ya bentuknya ikan hiu itu kayak gimana, nggak kayak kemarin. Kalau kemarin kan agak-agak kurang yakin ya, soalnya hewannya lumayan jarang ditemukan gitu. Jadi so yesterday we've been using sketch some kind of stick animals to get the best of the animal shape like that. Shark looks like this. Yes, thank you very much for the visual reference. Iya, makasih banyak referensinya. Ya, di sini ya. Bentar. Ini harus lihat lagi di Google Image. Shark. Takutnya nanti ada sirip yang ketinggalan di gambar lagi. I'm afraid if I will forget to draw some fins like 2 days before, was it? Or 3 days before, I forgot. Jadi kemarin kapan hari? So last time I forgot to add additional fins to the fish that we should draw, and because of that I have to take the consequences. Yeah. Jadi kapan hari? Oh, pixelnya pixelated banget ya, harus digambar ulang ini. Oh, when we zoom this in, I mean when we scale this up, we can see that it is more pixelated. Unlike the brush that we used yesterday, when we scale it up, the pixel doesn't look that this broken. Pixelnya waktu kita pakai brush yang satu itu, yang punyanya Goro Fujita, waktu di Endless nggak terlalu kelihatan ya ininya, nggak terlalu kelihatan kalau pecah pixelnya gitu. But this one maybe because of the textures it get pixelated. Bentar, tadi sebelumnya ngomong apa ya? Oh ya, iya cukup agresif teksturnya ini, nggak kayak kemarin. So unlike yesterday, this one nyam very challenging ya, menantang sekali. Jadi kayaknya harus kerja ekstra keras. So this stream we need to work harder and faster because of the special treatment that we need to apply. Oke, lanjutin yang tadi. Jadi ini kan ada dari beberapa kalian ada yang baru follow ya. So since some of you guys are just following today, maybe you guys just start watching from today. I want to give another thing about this pre-stream. So wait, what I missed? Oh, okay, we still have much time. Okay, so about this pre-streams. Apakah saya salah kalau berharap ini gagal agar Nana debut with swimsuit? That one. Okay, so if I fail to stream in a day, except for maybe September 22 until 26, or if I after 30 minutes still cannot finish the art yet, so the art is still half baked, or I forgot to draw something like, for example, the leg of the animals, or maybe a body parts of the animals, I will have to debut in swimsuit. Ya, jadi kalau misalnya Nana gak stream kecuali tanggal 22 sampai 26 ya kalau nggak salah. Lalu kalau misalnya Nana ini gagal menyelesaikan tepat waktu, 30 menit lewat tapi gambarnya belum jadi, atau ada ini parameter belum jadinya, so the parameter of when the art is not done is when I forgot to draw limbs of the animal. Jadi kalau misalnya lupa gambar anggota tubuhnya hewan ini ya gitu, atau ya intinya setengah kayak kelihatan setengah jadi gitu ya. So at that point I will need to debut in swimsuit like that. Maybe I should add something about this on the about section on Twitch. Yes, the detail about it, so I can just mengarahkan, direct you guys to read that there. Yeah, something like that. So yes, so a few days ago I failed the challenge because I forgot to add a pair of fins on the fish. So we decide that for each day I fail, I will need to say ara-ara, and then I will need to sing as well in swimsuit. So that's the punishment. So the amount of time I will sing will be equivalent to how many times I fail the challenge gitu. Jadi seberapa banyak nyanyinya pakai swimsuit itu, pakai baju renang, itu tergantung dari seberapa banyak Nana gagal speed paint ya gitu. Okay. So, what time is it? Hahaha, we still have time left, I guess. Right. Yes. We still have time. Wrong layer. Okay. Oh, shark with sharp teeth. Teeth, yes, teeth. Oh my. English muzukashi. How is shark from... Gimana ya tampak depannya? Front view shark, okay. Shark has quite a wide mouth. We will make it this way. Maybe. Oh. Too slow. Whenever I put some pressure into the brush, it gets slow for some reason. Maybe I should apply the brush more lightly to make it more responsive and faster. Ya ini kalau ditekan brushnya jadi agak ini ya, jadi agak melambat begitu kinerjanya, apa brushnya, apply brushnya ini. Jadi kita dikit-dikit aja, mungkin ya tipis-tipis aja ya pakai brushnya. Okay, and then we add some lighter color. Doesn't really shown, but it is a different color. Oh my god, I forgot that this is, we should make this banana. Aduh, hampir lupa. Ini harusnya kita ini ya, bananafikasi kan ya, pisangfikasi ya. I almost forgot about the bananification. Oh my god, we are too focused with the shark and the brush that I almost forgot about the bananification. What the heck? It shouldn't be happening. Okay, wow. Whose car is that? Kedengeran nggak, masuk nggak itu? Do you guys hear that? There is alarm going on. I don't know whose car is that. Ada alarm tuh bunyi, nggak tahu mobilnya siapa yang di luar. Okay. Shark with large mouth and lots of teeth. Yes. Small and what is it again? Sharp. Yes. Very sharp. Much wow. Very dangerous. By the way, have you guys eat today? Ya, seperti biasa mau tanya, kalian sudah makan kah? Dan kalau sudah, makan apa? Have you guys eat? And if you guys do, what did you guys eat for today? Wow, very daunting. The shark. Looks sharp and scary. I know, right? Bener banget nih. Oh ya, bisa nih. Digelapin pakai warna biru. So we will use the blue color as dark color in contrast with the yellow one. Kita pakai warna birunya untuk bikin ini ya, jadi lebih gelap warnanya. Ya, Nana pengen makan pisang sebenarnya hari ini. Kali Nana wants to eat banana today, but I don't know, can I get it? And totally, if I say I want to eat a banana, doesn't mean I am doing a cannibalism, of course. Because however reasons, I am still a half human. Jadi nggak apa-apa lah ya, Nana makan pisang. Aku makan pisang nggak apa-apa, soalnya masih setengah manusia dan manusia makan pisang. Dan gimana gen manusianya Nana masih lebih besar daripada gen pisang. So my DNA of my human DNA is still stronger than the banana DNA. The details about why I am a half banana, I will tell you guys about it on debut day. Jadi cerita tentang kenapa kok Nana bisa setengah pisang begini nanti Nana ceritakan ya di debut day. Okay. Wow. What I like from this brush is very crisp for some reason. Gimana ya? Jadi kita kalau gambar pakai brush ini, coba perhatikan ya, kalau brush yang lalu, brush yang kemarin kalau kita pakai itu harus kalau mau pakai ala-ala impresionisme gitu nggak masalah, soalnya brushnya emang agak-agak besar ya, teksturnya seperti crayon. So yesterday brush looks like crayon and it kinda give us easier time because you don't need to put much detail to make it looks good. But this one, I don't say that this one is less superior than yesterday. It's just this brush force you to do details on the artwork that you are working on, like that. Are you edible? Am I edible? Please do not eat the nana. Please don't eat the nana. Yes. Yeah, Nana jangan dimakan ya. Well, my hair is a banana. Please don't eat me. Yes, okay. Those are for, I assure you, those are for decorations. Yes, rambutnya memang rambut pisang sih, tapi jangan dimakan. Anggap aja dekorasi ya. Take it as a decoration. Oh man. Okay. And then about the banana, we will aduh, ini karena dari depan kayaknya jadi agak susah ya kalau mau dijadiin pisang. Maybe because we are using a front view of the shark, it will be a little bit harder to make it looks like a banana. Let me think for a bit. Nyam. What do we do? What should we do? What should we do? Why are you looking like some kind of tennis ball? Kenapa kamu terlihat seperti tennis ball, wahai ikan hiu? Oh shark, why are you looking like a tennis ball? You should be looking like a banana instead of a tennis ball. Ngomong-ngomong soal pisang, talking about banana, I found out today. Jadi hari ini trivial banget, very trivial, but turns out monkey eat bananas upside down. Gimana ya? Ya bukan, memang memang upside down, memang monyet gak gelantungan ya. Yeah, well, monkeys do hang around in upside down fashion, but I mean mereka makan pisangnya itu terbalik. So they eat the banana in a different way than us. They eat it from bottom to top while we eat it from top to bottom. Jadi kita makan pisang itu kan kalau manusia dari atas ke bawah begitu. Kalau monyet, mereka itu makannya dari bawah ke atas. So that is very interesting. I never know about this. However, this is a very very interesting fact. Yeah. Menarik sekali sih. Baru tahu kalau ternyata monyet itu makannya kayak gitu dah. Soalnya biasanya, so because in zoo or maybe whenever I see monkeys, around, they eat in without the peeling the banana, so they are fed by humans, right? Biasanya kan monyet-monyet yang ada di sekitar ini, Nana selama ini lihat itu udah nggak ada kulitnya sudah dikupaskan sama manusia, jadi nggak pernah tahu kalau gimana mereka makannya dari bawah ke atas atau atas ke bawah begitu. So all this time I've been seeing monkeys eating bananas without its skin because human already took the skin off begitu. So that is pretty new to me. Gimana ya biar kelihatan kayak pisang? Oh ya, I got it now. I have an idea. So but in order to do that, I need to get something like this. Okay. Do you guys know Monster Hunter? Kalian main Monster Hunter nggak, by the way? You guys main Monster Hunter? So I don't play much, but I do play Monster Hunter Rise in my Switch Lite. Jadi ada Monster Hunter apa namanya? Rise, yeah, Monster Hunter Rise. So I played that on my Switch Lite. Unfortunately, because that's a Switch Lite, I cannot stream that, I think, unless I upgrade my tools later in the future. Yeah. So about that, this shark somehow reminds me of that one creature, monster. Yeah. Jadi bikin inget ini sama salah satu monster di Monster Hunter itu ya. Monster atau apa tuh? Dino. Dan namanya Kezu itu loh. So that Kezu boy. Kezu. This guy. Mirip-mirip ya. Mungkin karena maybe because they both have same kind of teeth, and the way I draw the head, it got a round head just like the Kezu. Even so, Kezu don't have eyes. I think rasanya Kezu nggak punya mata ya, atau ada tapi kecil ya, lupa sih. Ya, mirip-mirip nih. Somehow remind me of that. Very interesting. Why this shark looks so round? I wonder. Maybe. Oh. Okay. Maybe we should do something like this. We put nose because shark somehow have nose. Kita kasih ini ya. Oops. Ya, kita kasih semacam seakan-akan dia punya hidung gitu. We give him a nose. Yes, this today's animal is a he. To make it easier to mention. So today's hari ini cowok ya, ini ikannya. So it is a boy. This is a shark boy. Jadi kayak punya kumis ya. Why this shark looks like he's having a mustache? I didn't want that. Let's change it. Let's pretend this didn't happen at all. Dan anggap aja ini nggak ada ya. Kita tidak melihat apa-apa barusan ya. Aduh, tinggal berapa menit ini? Tinggal 6 menit. We have 6 minutes left. Oh my god, this is exceptionally fast today. Somewhat the time runs very fast. Gimana ya? Rasanya hari ini lumayan cepet ya. Chunky boy, yes, chunky boy. Chunky banana sea boy. Hey, yep. I hope this kinda looks like a banana. Harap ini kelihatan kayak pisang ya. By the way, we are kinda taking a sketchy approach. Jadi hari ini pendekatan menggambarnya lebih ke kayak sketchy gitu ya. Kayak sketsa-sketsa begitu. Karena ya apa ya? Rasanya brush ini mantapnya dipakai untuk yang seperti ini. Feels like this brush is better be used this way gitu. Yeah. Okay, maybe how about light like this? Yes. Okay, we got it. We will make it this way. Iya, kita bikin kayak gini aja. It is interesting that the white that we use is not really true white. Gimana ya? Jadi putih yang kita pakai hari ini putihnya nggak terlalu putih ya. Jadi nggak benar-benar putih. Putih agak biru sedikit gitu. So white but not really white. It is actually leaning to blue for some reason, which is very complementing with the other colors. Ini benar-benar mendukung warna yang lain ya, cocok kan ya soalnya. Ya, yeah, the magic of color palette generator. Ya ini karena color palette generator color palette-nya sih yang bagus ini. Makanya kelihatan bagus. Coba kasih detail lagi di sekitar sini. Yep, oke. Whoop. Maybe something like this. Add some highlight to add some definition into the shape of the shark. Kita kasih highlight sedikit biar kelihatan. Oke, hampir ini ya, hampir kelupaan. Almost forgot we should add this fins. What is it called again? Dorsal fin? Is that one? Is that the one? I don't really remember. Oke. Jadi 3 menit lagi kita mulai kerjain backgroundnya aja ya. Kepikiran. Ini karena brushnya modelnya seperti ini. Bagaimana kalau kita kasih efek? We will add some effect on the side of the canvas to make it looking more artistic gitu. Yep. Oke, ini hapus dulu. Let erase this. Oke. Wah. Somewhat I'm kinda hungry. Okay. Nice color. Yep. What a unique brush. Ya, sekali lagi ini brushnya bikinannya RoboGuard ya. RoboGuard brush. It is called HTT RoboGuard brush. You can get this brush from their itch.io. Jadi RoboGuard punya itch.io, bisa dapat dari situ brushnya, dibeli. And I'm not doing this because I'm not being sponsored at all. I just think that this brush is neat. That is all. Ini promosi-promosi gini bukan karena di endorse ya. Well. I forgot to add nostrils into the shark. Oh my. Okay, now the shark looks nice. Yes. What else? Okay. Maybe I should merge layer like this. Okay. And maybe I can do that later. Maybe this one. No. Wait. Oh my god, it's 1 minute left. Yum. Okay. Relax. Everything is dejavu. Yes, semuanya baik-baik saja. Relax. 1 minute left. Why is suddenly 1 minute left? I wonder. Is this angry hungry shark? Okay. 1 minute left. Oh. Okay, and what else? Maybe this. Oh, bubbles. Yes, bubbles. Okay, my ends are up. We are now finished. Yeah. Akhirnya hari ini challenge-nya selesai, tantangannya selesai. Wow. Gak sangka sih. I thought we will fail today's stream because the nature of the brush that is so powerful it lacks my CSP. Ya aku pikir hari ini bakalan gagal soalnya ini brushnya bener-bener mantap luar biasa ya. Soalnya CSP-nya dari tadi rada-rada nge-lag gitu kalau tiap dipakai gitu. So this brush is kind of tricky because it somewhat makes my laptop runs kind of slow like that. Oh, thank you Kanagaya99 for the follow. Halo, terima kasih atas follow-nya Kanagaya99 ya. Selamat datang. Oke, hari ini kita baru aja selesai tantangan 30 menit speed paint untuk hari ini. We just finished the challenge for today's 30 minute speed paints and I really didn't expect that this will end really nice and I really didn't expect that this will looks this nice. Iya, tadinya nggak terlalu pede sih soalnya ini baru pertama kalinya kan Nana pakai brush ini. So this is really my first time using this brush and I thought I will fail because literally I never very rarely paint with this brush begitu. But look at it, this is looking very nice, very artsy for some reason. Iya, jadi tadinya nggak kepikiran kan kalau bakalan jadinya bagus soalnya kan jarang pakai brush ini gitu. Ternyata hasilnya lumayan oke nih. Wait. Kita bikin border dulu ya. So we will put some borders into this to make it looks more presentable biar lebih bisa disajikan dengan baik ya. Kasih border. Okay, wow, look at this. Wow, I really proud for this one. Ya, Nana bener-bener bangga sih sama speed paint hari ini. Karena apa ya? Selain tepat waktu dan walaupun apa ya? Ikan hiu ini hewan yang simple, tapi kalau nggak hati-hati bakalan ada yang kelupaan gitu. So if we don't careful, I might have forgetting some body parts of the shark gitu. Jadi tadi kalau nggak hati-hati kelupaan itu pasang hidungnya si ikan hiu sama ini sirip di bawah itu yang kecil. So we almost forgot to add the nose and the lower pair of fins on the back, on the down there. Yeah. Alright, that is all for today's stream. Ya, hari ini streamnya segini dulu. Oke. Besok kita kembali lagi ke sini dengan challenge yang berbeda. Well, challenge-nya sama, cuma hewannya berbeda. So we will be back here tomorrow at the exact same time. But with different animals to identify and to draw. Yes. By the way, nyam. How do you guys like this art? Gimana menurut kalian? Berapa per 10 nih hari ini? If I personally have to judge today's art, I will give it 8 per 10. 9 per 10, yes, something like that. 8 per 10 lah ya, bagus. 9 per 10 lah ya. It's cute, thank you Minu. I really happy. I hope this painting can bring joys to you guys' heart as well and soul. Semoga lukisan cepat hari ini bisa membawakan hawa-hawa sejuk ya ke dalam hari-hari kalian di siang hari yang panas ini. Okay. When will it be an NFT? I think I will never put this as an NFT. Gak akan kayaknya. Yeah, maybe never. NFT is kinda yeah. Maybe not the time. Maybe I don't know. I just not really how to say it. Yeah, NFT is kinda risky topics. I don't really with NFT. Yeah, but well, maybe one day I can draw something that is something like adaptables. If you guys ever know about it, I don't know if you guys know, ada yang namanya adaptable. Kalau kalian pernah tahu ya, kalau nggak tahu ya mungkin lain kali lah, kapan-kapan biar sekalian ku jelaskan gitu. I can make that instead of NFT. Yeah, adaptables. No NFT. Yeah. Well, I won't judge people who use NFT, but I'm not really into it actually. Because it is, well, ya, gimana ya? Nggak terlalu what is the English of it again? Bahasa Indonesianya apa ya? Belum teryakinkan sama sekali gitu. I haven't sold on that NFT idea at all yet gitu. Mungkin maybe someday in the future when they establish something that is more less scammy ya, mungkin kalau sudah benar-benar terjamin gitu ya, atau sudah benar-benar established gitu ya, nggak kalau yang sekarang kan rasanya masih banyak kekurangannya ya sepertinya ya, dan banyak pro kontra juga. Maybe when that time has come, I don't know. No, never. Oh well, yeah, okay then. Shark. Yeah, yum 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 yum. Distraction dance. Blah 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 blah. Let's not talk about NFT ever again. Oke, ya nggak, jangan ngomong. Iya sudah, jangan ngomong NFT lagi. Risky sekali itu. Baby shark, baby shark, copyright, here I come. Yeah, okay, then. Thank you very much for coming and tuning in. Terima kasih banyak sudah bergabung dan mendengarkan, join ngobrol-ngobrol bareng. We will meet again tomorrow. Kita akan ketemu lagi besok. Oke. Twitch is nyantui with copyright. Really? Oh ya, by the way, halo Raven. Tadi udah dari tadi ya? Atau baru ya? Ya kayaknya udah dari tadi ya, atau baru datang? Ya baru datang ya. Welcome. Iya, sama-sama warna hijau soalnya di chat ini. Ya welcome. Udah selesai tapi welcome aja. Baru dapat break kerja. Oh nice, very nice. Selamat istirahat. Iya. I will end the stream now, so we will meet again tomorrow. Kita akan ketemu lagi besok. Right? So, see you guys next time. Ciao. Ya udah beres. Iya, ciao. Halo Resri. Bye. Alright, so we never heard about how shark sounds like. Kita nggak pernah dengar suaranya ikan hiu itu seperti apa ya. Shark impersonation please. Yes, okay. So, jadi karena kita nggak pernah dengar suaranya ikan hiu, we never heard shark. Yum. How about no, I won't offer you kazoo today, but how about the sound when shark destroys your boat? Gimana kalau suaranya waktu ada ikan hiu yang ngancurin kapalmu gitu ya. Om nom nom. Yes. Arp. Yes. Okay, that's your shark. Have a great day.